At Lifted Trucks Arizona, we love a good transformation, and this one's all about the details. This truck came in with the common two-tone look, factory paint, but black plastics all around. It's not bad, but we knew it could be better. So, we pulled everything, bumper trim, mirror caps, fender flares, and got to work. Sanded it all smooth, prepped it right, and paint matched every piece to the truck's original color. The difference? Night and day. Now the truck looks clean, seamless, and a whole lot more aggressive. The original design is still intact, now just dialed in and way more put together. This is what we do at Lifted Trucks, turning stock into standout.